Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Lee and I come from Bukit Mertajam, the northern part of Peninsular Malaysia. Right now I'm staying in Johor, in Kluang. So welcome everyone to my program. As you know, I'm now uploading my second book, Book 2, or rather Level 2, this one, which is written in both languages. It's a Dwi Bahasa book. Written in English and Bahasa Melayu. Whereas the first book that I started was totally in English. This one is actually bilingual, and many people have asked me, what is the difference between your books, Level 1, Level 2, or Book 1, Book 2? What is the difference? Actually, I will tell you the answer in using two different answers. Now, the first answer I would like to tell you is they are the same. Meaning to say, what you need to know in grammar is almost here. 38 lessons altogether, all grammar. And all these 38 lessons are here as well. So it's also what is in the first book are also in the second book. So there are 38 lessons in Book 1, 38 altogether, 40 altogether. That means these 38 lessons appear here, are also in this book. And I add 2 more lessons, so total 40 lessons. And why are they the same? My second answer. They are the same because whether you are in primary school, secondary school, university, you are working, you are a parent, you still need everything here. Because here you have all, almost all. Because I cannot see, I cannot see English grammar having 60 lessons, 60 different topics, I would say. Maybe the most 55. So my level 1 has 38 topics altogether. I guess topics is better. All grammar. And these 38 topics are inside here. And I add 2 more because level 2, I have 40 topics. Easier to understand. My third book will have 42 topics. Because total, everything in, I don't think we have more than 55. I don't think so actually. So I just add two new topics. So these 40 lessons or 40 topics will go inside my book 3 and I add 2 more. So my book 3 will have 42 topics. And these 42 topics will go to book 4 if I ever decide to start a book 4. Because now my book 3 is already halfway. So I think I will have to complete it. Book 4, I will think about it. But if I do write book 4, all the 42 topics from book 3 will go to book 4 as well. So my second answer is, the only difference is the level. Meaning to say, book 2 is more difficult than book 1. Book 3 is more difficult than book 2. Book 4, if I ever write, would be more difficult than book 3. So it means to say, for every new book, the standard is higher. The questions are more difficult. And I would say that the questions are more challenging. They need you to think. Whereas book 1 and book 2, even book 3 is already a bit more difficult. You have to start using your brain to think. And book 4, of course, it will be, tough. The questions will be difficult, challenging. If I ever decide to have book 4, I hope I will have to. It all depends on number 1, the time factor. Number 2, the response towards my book. Whether I can sell. Otherwise, I think it's just not necessary. I can easily teach on YouTube and not print any book or publish any books. Okay, all right. Now, as you know, book 2 has 40 different topics. This is the one. Now I'm uploading this, and now I am at lesson 36, video number 4. The topic is positive and negative sentences. Topic 4, video 4, one topic, and there are more videos to come, because for my book, positive and negative sentences, I have 12 exercises altogether. We are at exercise 5 and 6. So you have 7 and 8, 9 and 10, 11, 12. This is video number 4. So 5, 6, 7. 7 videos, 1 lesson. Wow. So you know, I received, I not received actually, I saw in the comment section. So there was this person who said that I don't know whether it's a he or she, I really can't remember. Or anyway, I couldn't make out whether it's a man or a woman, who said that the writing that on the board was small and not clear. So he or she couldn't see clearly. So when I saw the comment, I was a bit I felt bad, because I suddenly remembered, that there are many people who did not and have not bought my books. They did not buy my books. So they just watch and then they learn. I didn't think of this, because all this while I was only thinking of those people who bought my books. And I was worried that, what if they buy the book and there's no one to guide them? Because I myself do that, I buy books which I don't even read. Truly, I have so many books. Whenever I go to a bookstore, I buy a book. I imagine, I will read the book, I have free time, I will just open the book and read. And then I go back to my I usually put my things in my office. So I put in the office, happily. Sometimes I put on my table first. And then suddenly, one nice day, one fine day, I will take the book and put in the cupboard, and that's it. It's there. I have so many books which I have not opened and read. So I understand, that there are people who watch my videos and they feel so excited, they buy. That's my thinking. Now after they have bought the book, they have no time, they are busy, or maybe they are demotivated because they don't understand, and then they look at the answers behind and they start thinking, how come I'm wrong? I was thinking of all these things, of the people who bought my books. So finally I said to myself, I need to upload videos and teach. So I feel guilty, if you buy my book and you put it in the cupboard like me. So I was only thinking of those people who bought my books. I didn't think of those who didn't buy my book but follow my videos. I'm so sorry about that. I didn't even think. So for the last few videos, I decided to make my handwriting bigger, and the result was I could only put one exercise up. Then lately I decided that no way. If I do that, just lesson 36, I will need 12 videos because there are 12 exercises. And I thought that is one of the issue. And the other thing is, when I put one exercise on the board and I stand here and talk and teach, usually it is not more than 8 minutes. Then I have to start talking, to make sure that it becomes like 12 or 13 minutes. So I feel that I'm very sorry. I go back to the old, my old style. 2 exercises in one lesson. Okay, now let us look at the board now. Positive and negative sentences, lesson 36, video 4, exercise 5, exercise 6. If you have this book, I'm actually at page 108, 109, 108, page 108 and page 109. Exercise 5, exercise 6. Exercise 5, you have to change the positive to the negative. Positive means to say we agree. It means to say we say yes. It means to say that we admit. Okay? Whereas negative means we say no. We don't admit. We deny. We don't agree. We disagree. And we say no. We say not. Alright? So now this exercise, we change the positive to the negative. Given positive, your job is to change to the negative. So let me read. They have painted the wall already. When you use have, your meaning is already. Whether you write this word or you say this word, it does not matter. The ultimate thing is your meaning is already. The job is done. So when you use have, it's already. Remember, have is for I, you, we, they, or many. More than one. More than one people, more than one animal, more than one thing, more than one place. If you are talking about he, she, or it, or one person, one animal, one thing, one place, then you use has because the verb needs an S behind. So they have painted the wall already, positive. Change to the negative, have becomes have not, already changed to yet. So the word yet is used for not, negative. Answer, they have not painted the wall yet. Number 2, the doctor has treated his patient already. One doctor, so verb you need an S. Has already. When you change to the negative, has becomes has not. When you use has not, it becomes a yet. The doctor has not treated his patient yet. Number 3, I have, let me see. I have seen that movie already. Have already. Negative, I have not seen the movie yet. So when you use have not, you need to follow with yet. Already is no more there. Alright? You use already because it is a positive. That means yes. That means you use have or has. And number 4, is it? They have ironed their uniforms already. Have already. Negative. They have not ironed their uniforms yet. Number 5. You have heard that song already. So you have already. Negative. You have not listened to that song yet. So when you use the word not, remember to follow by a yet. You cannot use already. Rafida has arranged the books on the shelf already. So Rafida is one person, is she. So you need has. So when you change to the negative, has becomes has not. So Rafida has not arranged the books on the shelf yet. So has not yet. You have bought the green t-shirt already. So you have already. Change to the negative. You have not bought the green t-shirt yet. So when you put have behind, I mean you put not behind has or have, you need to follow by already. And the next one would be, the teachers have gone for their meeting already. Teachers many, that's why you have an S here. So have is used with already. When you change to the negative, you say, the teachers have not gone for their meeting yet. My aunt has cooked the food already. My aunt is one person. It means she. Remember, one person, one animal, one thing, one place. The verb, you need to have S. So, my aunt has cooked the food already. Answer, my aunt has not cooked the food yet. We have washed our clothes already. Have already. We have not washed our clothes yet. That side. Negative change to the positive. Number 1. We have not invited our friends to our house yet. Remember? Not yet. Drop the not becomes have already. So we have invited our friends to our house already. Number 2. Dawood has not written his essay yet. So remember, has not follows with is followed by yet. Daud has written his essay already. Okay. I have not made my tea yet. So have not yet. I have made my tea already. So when you have done it, you use already. My brother has not written his essay yet. Has not yet. Change to the positive. My brother has written his essay already. When you use has, it is followed by already. You have not painted the wall yet. Answer, you have painted the wall already. Remember, not yet, have already. Number 6, they have not decorated the classroom yet. Change to the negative, positive. They have decorated their classroom already. Okay. The tiger has not eaten its food yet. So tiger is 1. The verb you need to have as. Has not is the negative, you need yet. When you change to has, it becomes already. The tiger has eaten its food already. My grandmother has not eaten her porridge yet. Has not yet. Has already. My grandmother has eaten her porridge already. I have not cooked my food yet. Have not yet. So have is already. I have cooked my food already. Now this is called present perfect tense. Present perfect tense is have or has with a past participle. Okay, past participle is the third verb. Take, took, taken. Taken is the past participle. Write, wrote, written. Written is the past participle. Sing, sang, sung. Sung is the past participle. I, you, we, they. Or more than one person, more than one animal, more than one thing, more than one place. Have. Okay? He, she, it, or one. One person, one animal, one place, one thing. You use has because the verb must put s. After has, after have, you use a past participle. Past participle is the third place of a verb. Take, took, taken. Taken is a past participle. Write, wrote, written. Written is the past participle. Sing, sang, sung. Sung is the past participle. Now when do we use the present perfect tense? You can see already. You can say see yet. Now we use the present perfect tense. Number 1, because we want to tell other people that the job is done and we can see the result. But we did not tell the person when it happened. It's not yesterday, it's not 2 days ago. We didn't mention when. Maybe we don't know. Maybe we don't mention or we didn't mention. So when no time is mentioned, when you don't say when, but then the job, you can see the effect, you can see the consequence, then you use has or have plus the past participle. And you call it the present perfect tense. Number 2, we use the present perfect tense to let people know that the action has just happened. It happened not long ago. Okay? And you can still see the effect. Example, it has rained. It has just rained. That means you see the ground is still wet. You can still see water at the roadside. So the effect is still there. I have done my homework. Did I tell you when? No. Did I mention the time? No. But I tell you I have done my homework. So I can see that your exercise book is full of words. All exercise done. Okay? It can also mean to say that it is just done. That is why we can see the effect. Example, she has eaten. What does it mean? That means the food is in her stomach. And she is full. She is not hungry anymore. But did she tell you when, or did I tell you when she ate? No, I didn't mention the time. Maybe I don't know the time. But I want to tell you that the food is already in her stomach. And I can see that her plate is empty. Okay, so this is called present perfect tense. There's one part of grammar that is so important. Tenses. Okay, especially when we are talking about business English. We have sent the goods to you already. Whether I say already or not, it does not matter. Dear sir, we have sent the goods that you ordered. We have sent. What does it mean? That means the goods are on the way. The goods are no more in our office. That is why we say we have sent. But did we tell you the time? No. So is that important? Alright, I have taught you already. I have taught you. You listen to when I speak. I have taught you already. That means the effect is already there. You can see the video. That is the meaning. Present perfect tense. Okay? Alright. Now if you want to buy my books, either book 1, book 2, or both, you need to, you can order, and all you need to do is to WhatsApp to me. Okay? Now book 2, I have only got 1 copy left. The last one. For now. Of course, I will be printing again. But it depends on when you can get your... If you want to order after this one last book is sold, you maybe have to wait. Usually it's 2 weeks, but sometimes it could be 3 or 4 depending on the factory. Okay? If you want to learn speaking, go to my TikTok or Instagram. Okay? If you want me to go to your place to teach, let me know. Okay? Face to face. But you must have enough students, and you have to pay the fees for attending my classes. It can be any class, but face to face. I can go to your place wherever you are, including Sabah, Sarawak. I can go. The important thing is there must be enough students, and you of course you have to pay the fees, like I mentioned just now. So especially to teachers out there, or you know you have your own organization, or you join any association, you can organize. Let me know. Not only for students but for adults as well. It could be working people, civil servants, or government staff, or housewives. It can be anyone, or office workers. Is no problem on my side. Whatever you want to learn, you let me know. Okay? So that's all for now. Remember to give me a like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video.